Now here is the 5-step launch jacking formula that you can use to profit from launch jacking. Okay, step one, which is pretty obvious, is to find a product to promote. Now to find products to promote, you would use JV or product launch calendars, so you could see which launches are coming out 30 days in advance or even a few months in advance. And I've listed a few of them here. You could go to JV Notify Pro. They send you an email with the latest launches. There's also Muncheye, muncheye.com. There's the Warrior JV. And yeah, you could do a quick Google search and find any other launch calendars out there. Okay, so that's the first step. Find a product to promote. And another thing is, when you're looking for products to promote, you've got to make sure that that the person who created has a good reputation online, so that so you feel confident that the product that they're selling is a good one. Okay, because you can't really review the product yet unless you know the vendor. Okay, or once you start getting a reputation online, it'll be much easier for you to get review access to products. But even if you are a newbie, there's nothing to lose. You can go ahead, contact the product vendor and ask for a review copy. Okay, you could even try to connect with them on Skype or on Facebook. Let them know what you're doing. Okay, so that's the first step. Find a product to promote. Oh, and another thing too is, when you find a product to promote, you have to make sure that it's a product that a lot of people are going to be promoting, something that a lot of people are going to want as well. Because if you promote something and there's not much demand for it, or there's not too many affiliates that are going to promote it, well, not too many people are going to be searching for that product on Google, trying to do their research on it. So you got to make sure that there's going to be a lot of buzz for that product. Okay. Now step two is to buy a domain name. Preferably buy an exact match domain, so something that has the product name on it. So for example, if the product name is the weight loss system, okay, you could try to find the weightlossystem.com or weightlossystem.com, and if those are taken, try other extensions like the weight loss system .ca or whatever. Okay, you could also do the weight loss system review or the weight loss system bonuses. Step three is to set up a website, preferably install WordPress on there and use the Socrates theme. Okay, you could also use other free themes, and you could even buy themes. Now, in terms of installing WordPress, a lot of hosting companies have a quick install of WordPress, so it should be pretty easy for you, depending on the hosting company that you use. Okay, step four is to add the content, and I will be talking more about that in another video. And step five is to optimize your site for the search engines. And again, I'm going to create another video for this topic. Okay, so for now, those are the 5 steps that you should be following when you are doing launch jacking.